you're probably training balance. All wrong. Even if you walk every day, stay active, or hit the gym, traditional exercises often aren't enough to keep you steady on your feet. Research from 2023 shows the real key to preventing falls is practicing movements that challenge your balance, strength, and coordination together. In this video, I'll teach you 6 simple exercises designed to make everyday life easier, from standing up confidently to walking without fear. These moves aren't just about avoiding falls, they're about reclaiming control over your body. Stick around, and you'll learn how to train your balance so effectively that age stops feeling like a limitation. By the end, you'll see that staying steady, confident, and independent is fully in your hands. Before we begin, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Better 1. Sidestepping, the overlooked lifesaver. When you lose balance, your first instinct is usually to step to the side to catch yourself. But if your body hasn't practiced that movement, you might freeze, and that's when falls happen. Sidestepping is one of the most powerful exercises for fall prevention, yet most people over 60 never do it. We tend to walk forward, sometimes backward, but almost never side to side. And falls rarely happen in a straight line. A push in a grocery aisle, stepping off a curb, or moving in the bathroom often requires a quick sidestep. Practicing this movement wakes up underused muscles, retrains your brain to react quickly, strengthens your hip stabilizers, and improves coordination and confidence. Research shows that practicing lateral movement regularly can lower fall risk by over 20% in older adults. Here's how to do it. Stand next to a sturdy chair or counter. Step sideways with one foot, then bring the other foot to meet it. Repeat in the other direction. Lift your feet instead of shuffling. Keep knees slightly bent and maintain good posture. Start slow. Hold on to support if needed, then work toward doing it hands-free. Aim for 1 to 2 minutes a day. Every step builds freedom and confidence. Weight shifting. Restore the rhythm of walking. You might take over 5,000 steps a day, but how many of those are truly balanced? Shuffling is often an early sign of reduced mobility. It happens when your brain isn't confident transferring weight from one leg to the other. Weight shifting retrains that rhythm. It's the foundation of walking. It strengthens your core, improves ankle and knee stability, and reconnects your brain and body so you can trust your legs again. Studies show that older adults who practice weight shifts walk faster, reduce their fall risk, and feel more confident in crowded or unpredictable spaces. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair, hands lightly on the backrest. Shift your weight fully onto your right leg while lifting your left foot just an inch off the floor. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then switch sides. Focus on committing your weight fully. Don't rush. Over time, try doing it with one hand or no hands. Just a few minutes daily can help you walk with purpose again, smooth, confident, and safe. Single leg stand, the Musser 1 balance test. After 60 if you can't stand on one leg for at least 10 seconds. Studies show your risk of falling or serious injury increases. But the good news? This is a skill you can train. It's also the single strongest indicator of functional balance in older adults. Standing on one leg matters because everyday tasks challenge you this way. Stepping into a car, climbing stairs, or putting on pants. Practicing this exercise strengthens your ankles, hips, and deep core muscles, while also teaching your brain to stay calm and confident when off balance. One study even linked better single leg balance to lower mortality risk in older adults. How to do it. Stand near a counter or chair. Shift weight onto your right leg and lift the left foot slightly off the ground. Try to hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Switch sides. Do 2 to 3 rounds daily. As you improve, close your eyes for an extra challenge and better real-world balance. Heel to toe walk. Reprogram your steps. Think of a tightrope walker. Their secret isn't luck, it's precision. As we age, our walking patterns naturally change. We take shorter steps, keep our feet wider apart, and often lean forward or shuffle slightly. While it might feel safer, these changes actually reduce balance feedback and slow reaction speed, making slips and falls more likely. The heel to toe walk is a simple but powerful way to retrain your gait and base of support. By placing one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe, you strengthen your feet, ankles, and core. This movement also improves coordination, posture, and overall confidence in walking. Physical therapists often use it as a quick balance check. If you struggle to take even a few steps in a straight line heel to toe, it's a sign your balance system needs attention. Practicing regularly can sharpen your stability and make everyday movement safer and more controlled. How to do it. Stand near a wall or counter. Step forward, placing your heel directly in front of your toes. Repeat with the other foot. Slow and controlled. Use support if needed. Aim for 4 to 6 steps at a time. Focus on tall posture and eyes forward. Pillow squats. Strength to stand and move. Have you ever found it tough to stand up from a low chair or couch? That everyday movement relies on muscles many of us take for granted. Pillow squats are designed to train one of the most essential skills for independence, rising safely and confidently. This simple exercise targets your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core, while also gently raising your heart rate. Over time, many older adults lose strength not because of injury, but simply from avoiding movements that feel challenging. Pillow squats help break that cycle. By practicing this exercise regularly, you restore muscle strength, improve joint control, and enhance balance. Beyond the physical benefits, pillow squats also build confidence, making daily tasks like standing, sitting, or bending feel easier and safer, giving you greater freedom and independence in everyday life. How to do it. Place 1 to 2 cushions on a chair. Sit with arms crossed or lightly supporting your thighs. Lean slightly forward and push through your heels to stand. Sit back down slowly. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Use support if needed. Then progress by reducing assistance and removing pillows. Backward stepping. Train for real-life safety. When was the last time you intentionally stepped backward? We do it all the time, but rarely practice it. Stepping backwards safely requires control, coordination, and awareness. Backward stepping strengthens stabilizer muscles, challenges your balance system, and trains your brain to stay calm in unexpected situations. Many falls happen when moving backward or sideways, so this simple exercise improves real-world readiness and even benefits your brain. How to do it. Stand facing a chair or counter. Step 1 foot back, then the other for 2 to 3 steps. Turn around and repeat. Lift your feet. Don't drag. Keep knees bent, posture upright. Use support if needed, but aim to do it hands-free. Just 1 to 2 minutes a day can improve how you move and react. Balance can be rebuilt at any age if you followed along. You now know not just 6 exercises, but a whole new way of thinking. Balance doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades when we stop using it, and the good news, it can come back with simple, intentional movement. These exercises aren't about working out. They're about training your body for life, stepping, turning, rising, recovering. For walking confidently, climbing stairs, dancing at a wedding, or just getting up in the morning knowing you're steady. You don't need hours a day or a gym. Just 10 to 15 minutes of focused practice, done consistently, can rebuild strength, coordination, and confidence. Ask yourself, which movement do you need the most right now? Which one surprised you? Which one felt like a wake-up call? Share your journey in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else. Remember, your body isn't too old. Your balance isn't gone. You're not stuck. With the right movements, at any age, you can move stronger, steadier, and more free than ever before. If you want more simple, effective ways to stay strong, independent, and confident, hit that subscribe button and join our community today. You won't want to miss what's coming next.